Well, it's time to up your hydration game. I'm here with one of the most knowledgeable and the nicest people in the filter industry, Cole from Best Water Filters. Cole, I believe we're celebrating.
We are, mate. 21 years since we've launched this product. We now have over 130,000 of these hand assembled on the Gold Coast, all still 100% Australian made. The only RV water company that is in Australia 100%.
That's an amazing achievement. I mean, there's a lot of fly-by-nighters out there, and to be in the industry, in the game for 21 years and still doing it really well, that's an amazing achievement. How does that feel to I suppose, survive that long and keep taking things to the next level?
Yeah, well, you know, I'm not a salesman, I'm a plumber by trade, so I just tell it as it is.
Yep.
And you know, and people either believe you or they're not, you know, and it is hard because there are a lot on the market nowadays.
Yep.
When I bought this out, I was the only one doing them, and of course, as you know, there's some cheapies out there, and there's others with amazing claims but nothing to back it up with. And, you know, so we've had the experience, and over the 21 years, out of all the critics, and the hardest thing to get by is the happy hour.
Australian made, so a lot of people say that, you know, Australian manufacturing is dead and buried, but you're building them in Australia, so.
Absolutely, yeah. So it's one thing we've often been spoken to about taking to overseas to make them, but I won't do that. So we get this all moulded on the Gold Coast. The tube comes from Melbourne, and we hand assemble them. We do all our own silvering in the factory. Our brass ends now, that's a lead-free brass end we get machined up in Brizzy.
Yep.
So everything is 100% Australian.
Fantastic. And so, I suppose the name, Best Water Filters, what makes a best water filter the best?
Well, a few things when I designed this, it had to be small and compact was one, but our Silver Safe technology, because BEST stands for Bacteria Eliminating Silver Safe Treatment.
There you go.
So it's our Silver Safe technology that sets us apart from all the others on the market. There are other silver impregnated ones there that they failed me when I started, and that's why I've developed this one here.
Yep.
Being back flushable is another major feature. There's a lot out there claiming to be back flushable, but they just can't do it. Yeah.
Well, there you go. 21 years in the making for this great Australian product. Now, I believe there's some prizes and giveaways happening for the 21 years.
We're giving away 21 of our best RV water filter, and we're collaborating with some other RV companies. And so at the present, the prize pool is around $5,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, that all sounds pretty good, mate. So if people want to find out more or get their hands on a Best Water Filter, where do they go?
Well, on our website, bestwaterfilters.com.au, and like us on our social pages, because that's where we'll be running the competition.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
There you go. Time to upgrade your hydration game. Get onto it.